Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and connection. Plug the phone into a working charger for 5 to 10 minutes to rule out a drained battery. You want some voltage present. Next, force restart with the manufacturer-specific button combo. Hold power and volume for 10 to 20 seconds, because software hangs cause many black screen issues. Remove any case and quickly inspect the display edge for visible damage or gaps. This helps you distinguish a software freeze from a physical connector problem before opening the phone. Once you've tried a restart, you need to isolate software. Boot into recovery or safe mode to see if third-party apps cause the black screen. Safe mode disables them so you can test responsiveness. Connect the device to a computer and check whether it's recognized via ADB, iTunes, or Android file transfer. Detection means the OS runs but the display may be dead. If available, test an external display or look for LED/notification lights to confirm the GPU and backlight are functioning. Now move to hardware-focused actions. If you're experienced, power down and open the phone, then carefully reseat the display connector. This often restores contact that causes a black screen. Use anti-static precautions and the correct tools. If reseating doesn't work, replace the screen or backlight assembly with an OEM or high-quality refurbished part because a damaged panel or inverter is common. If the screen remains black after these steps, take it to a professional and clearly describe your troubleshooting so they can focus.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.